Was not just the language, although the language was important, because if they didn't speak Yiddish, then it would be forgotten. My father believed very much in that Yiddish, not Hebrew. So I never learned Hebrew. My sister did because she went to the seminar. What it meant, well, because I don't think it was anything that they had to them, that was their life. Yiddish was their life. In the shtetl, everybody spoke Yiddish. Yiddish was part of their upbringing. And they spoke Polish as well. My father spoke Russian and Polish, my mother too. But Yiddish was in the home. My father was very strict with us about speaking Yiddish. We had to speak Yiddish. And that's why I rebelled against it. But then later on I realized, that if he hadn't done that, we probably would not have continued it. So his stubbornness in wanting us to speak and made us, I think, do it. So that's why I said, I understood later why he did what he did. My father was very strict with us. He was not, we had to do, we had to have the Wednesday night where we spent together reading Yiddish. I wanted to be outside. I had to go to Yiddish school whether I liked it or not.